Alright, so this experiment is called the static flyer. And for this experiment, all you'll need is a cotton towel, a balloon, it's inflated all the way, a plastic produce bag, or any plastic bag, and some scissors. So step one is going to be cut a strip from the top of the plastic produce bag and make a ring. So I'm going to do that real quick. And what you should end up with is a ring. So next, you're going to want to inflate the balloon to its maximum size. I've already done so, just because it took a minute, but you're going to have to do it on the spot. And then what you're going to do first is take the cotton towel and the balloon and rub the cotton towel over the balloon for about 30 seconds. And then, what you're going to want to do is take the plastic ring you made and rub the cotton towel over that for about 30 seconds. You're going to want to do this gently so as to not rip the plastic bag, because these are very soft. Okay, and now you're going to want to take the plastic ring that you made, take the balloon, and see what happens. So what should happen here is the plastic that you rubbed with the cotton towel should start floating above the balloon that you also rubbed. And this is a very high margin of error. As you can see, it doesn't always work, but what will happen is that it starts dodging the balloon. The plastic starts dodging the balloon. So what's happening here is that when you're rubbing the cotton towel over the balloon, the negative charges, a negative charge is passed to the balloon and to the plastic ring. So what that means is that both the electrons are passed onto this and to the top of the balloon. So when you hold them towards each other, they should repel, because opposites attract and the same charges repel. And that's what should cause the levitation effect, or the pushing it away effect. And other things that you could do with this are rubbing the balloon on your hair and seeing what happens. So usually, what should happen is that, if you can see, the balloon, when I'm moving it closer, is attracting my arm hair to it. This is the same thing. There's static electricity. If you rub the balloon on a sheet of paper, it'll show the same thing. There's no charge on the paper, but the electrons are taken away from it, causing it to be attracted to the balloon. So yeah, overall, it's a medium difficulty experiment. It doesn't always work. And when it doesn't, you should probably just show another example of the static electricity working. But when this does work, it is very cool.